Para sa iyo,
For me,
ano ang mga katangian ng isang tapat na kaibigan? What are the katangian, like qualities ng isang totoong kaibigan?
of my real friend?
Yeah. If somebody is a real friend,
If somebody is a real friend.
what are their qualities? But you have to answer me in Tagalog. Para sa akin, go.
Para sa akin, ang totoong kaibigan ay may respeto sa ako.
May respeto sa ako.
May
Respeto sa akin.
May respeto sa akin.
Ano pa?
At
At?
may respeto sa pamilya ko.
Very good. Very good. You have to tell the story.
What happened because I became not a real friend?
Yes. The question is there a time
Because-
where you've never been a good friend or a real
No,
friend?
there's no
What
time
happened?
that I never became a real friend.
Then
There's
answer
no
it in
time.
Tagalog.
Walang oras na hindi friend ako, na hindi nakaibigan ako.
Walang oras
Walang oras
na hindi ako
na
naging
hindi
tapat.
ako naging tapat.
Kaibigan. Talaga ba?
Talaga
You're
ba?
always honest? Okay, sige. Next question. Answer it. This is the last question na. Ano ang mga ginagawa mo para sa isang kaibigan?
Ang ginanawa ko for this
Louder,
one,
louder please.
ang ginanawa ko for this one
For a friend na lang.
kaibigan ay
Don't think about one friend. O sige, ano ang ginagawa mo para sa kaibigan?
I couldn't say it in
Tagalog?
It's not English.
Just try lang, try
I
lang.
couldn't say
Try lang. Madali na. This is the last question nga.
it.
Ano ang ginagawa mo para sa kaibigan?
What do I do for a friend? Laro ako sa kanya. Laro ako sa kanya. Laro ako ang gusto niya. Tapos lalaro sa nang gusto ko.
Maglalaro kayo
It means when I will do what they want so they can do what I want to play.
Okay, give and take. Okay,
That's a
very
real
good.
friend.
Okay. What else? Is that the only thing that you do for a friend? Ano pa?
I respect them.
Yung Tagalog nga.
But it's so hard.
This is Tagalog subject. We have to speak in Tagalog. Sige na. Go. Last na, isa na lang. Just give me another answer. Just one more answer.
Then last,
Ano pa ang ginagawa mo sa iyong kaibigan?
nagbibigay ng attention sa kanya. It
Bibigay
means
ka.
I will focus on her. So if she gets hurt or she did something wrong, if she gets hurt, I will comfort her, then help her, call the adults, but if she does something bad, I'll remind her that it's bad.
Very
like that.
good. Okay, good job, AJ. Sige. Later, we'll do another subject, okay? Rico. Bye.